Hello Internet. On this occasion we'll be tackling a new lock I have, the Kwiskset SmarkKey Rekey Technology lock. Supposedly pick resistant to 10,000 pounds of cutting force. That's not going to be relevant. 5,000 pounds of prior resistance, not relevant to what I am doing, but is also apparently bump proof, which I don't have the tools to do, nor know how to do that. But I am going to open this up and have an attempt at this. This might be on the upper ends of what I can achieve right now, but don't know unless I try. Okay, lock is out. We have the keys. We have the smart key and probably instructions check to see if this works. Key retaining. Alright. Let's see. My new tension wrenches. Let's see what we got here. Like it's the 0.3 is what I need to go with, or perhaps one of my older wrenches will work better. Now we're gonna go with one of the new boys here. As usual, I'm going to start with my offset hybrid. I'm going to change based upon feel here. Alright, so this feels like it's going to work. Last pin's no movement. One day I'm going to get good enough where I can explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it. That should be pin number 5, no movement. Pit. That's the first pin. First and fourth pin feel like they're set. Nothing from anybody else. I'm not getting any movement on any of these pins. Let's try the same angle. Let's try a different hook for a bit here. Well, a actual hook versus the hybrid. Yeah, I think that's the second pin. I think that's there's another pin, but I think I dropped another one while doing that one. So this is what's happening. Alright, what is happening is I'll get one pin, but I'm dropping another pin while I get setting it, so it's just a bump back and forth. I think I actually got most of this set now. Just the process of setting this last pin results in dropping a pin, so maybe I can get this for you. Wait. Shit. Set something. Yeah. Got one, dropped another. This is gonna be... I could probably get this eventually. Normally when I get to the state, it's like, okay, you're being like this, I will come back to you. So, I will get this open for you on another occasion. Until, because I am not going to drive myself crazy bouncing between the two pens that keep exchanging set and unset. So, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day. Hello Internet, Today I have my generic 4 pins. I'm just going to see how long it takes me to unlock all of them. Of course, that was not very good. No. There we go. There's a second one. Okay. There we go. I don't really practice with these that much anymore because honestly it feels like there's only like maybe 1-2 pins of the 4 that actually matter in these. So until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.